In our first tutorial, we are going to see how to create this kind of text animation. For this, I already have a file open with me. Okay, in this file, I have two layers. One is smile and the other one is make your. I'm only going to animate the make your because smile is also going to have the same style of make your. So I'm going to unlock this layer. Now I'll just select this with the selection tool, and when I select it, I clearly understand from the properties panel that it's a text. So what I need to do here is first go to modify and then break apart. Okay, once it's broken apart, so but it is still a text, it's not converted into a shape yet, but my objective is to convert it into a shape. So let's see what is the next step that we need to follow. The next step is very important for you because you need to distribute each letter into a separate layer. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go back to the modify and then this time go to the timeline and distribute to layers. Okay, now what you will see here is that all the letters are distributed in their own separate layers. Okay, fine. Now the next thing what I need to do is I need to convert it into a shape. So for that, I will just go to modify and break apart again. Okay, now once everything is broken apart, I will go to R and then press shift and select all the layers. Okay, to make sure everything is broken apart. Okay, I'm happy with it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to 10th frame and I'm going to select all the frames till M, from R till M. Okay, and then here I'm going to say insert keyframe. Okay, once the keyframes are inserted here, I will go to my R and you can just click anywhere on the frames between first frame till 10th frame and then press shift and select all the layers. Okay, from R till M. Okay, once it's done, press Ctrl from your Mac or right click on the keyboard if you're using Windows, and then just say create classic tween. Okay, so the classic tween will be applied to all the layers. Now once I'm done with this, okay, smile has appeared. So what I have to do, because I'm not working on it as of now, so I'll just close it. Okay, close the eye, so I don't want it to be visible. Once I'm done with all of them, now again I will go to R and I've select the first frame. Okay, press shift. Likewise, you have to select all the first frames from R till M. Okay, once you're done with this, now go to the properties panel and see here there is easing option. So here what you are going to do is you are going to make it 100, means I'm going to apply a classic ease out. Okay, once I'm done with that, I will go to object and I will apply a color effect, which is alpha. Okay, and alpha should be 0 here, which means the first frame I should not be able to see any letter. They are all having a transparency of 0%. So once I'm done with this, so if I play, I will see it's a normal text transition. Okay, so what I need to do again is I need to select, press shift and select the first frame again for all the layers from R to M, and this time just scale it. Okay, scale it bigger, press shift to maintain the proportion and increase the size. Now if you play it, you will see it a different kind of transition. Okay, now to make sure that our text is appearing in a one after another effect, what I need to do is I need to select all the frames from here and move them 5 frames. Okay, so 5 frames. Okay, 5 frames. Okay, so which means that this one should go to the 15th here, or sorry, 10th. This one should go to the 15th. This one should go to 20th. This one should go to the 25th. This one should move to 30th. This one should move to the 35th. Okay, once you're happy with this, just play it and see what's happening. Okay, now I have got the effect, but the thing is that the letters are disappearing. So for that I need to fix it by selecting all the frames from R to M again, and then insert a keyframe, so the letters will stay. So once I play them now, they will stay like that. Okay, if you are planning to have an increased time of your overall animation, then you need to insert frames here. So I'll just go to frame 60 and I will insert overall, for even including the smile. I will insert the frames here, not the keyframes but the frames. Okay, like this. So now if you test it, you will see that your animation is like that. You can repeat the same step for smile. Okay.